The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now.
Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Virtual Giant. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to make viral motivational videos using your mobile phone. Let me remind you that there are a few items you would need to be successful at making this video. Obviously, you would need your mobile phone, CapCut, download an AI text-to-image generator known as Imagen, a background music, a fire particle video, a motivational quote which you can easily access either on ChatGPT or search it on Google. So without wasting much time, let us get straight into the video. Open the Imagen app and generate your image or your images. Here in the dialog box, you would have to enter a prompt for the AI tool to generate your image for you. So this is my prompt. So this is the kind of image I want. I'm looking for at least 3 images, so I'll go to generate more, and then select generate. Now we have gathered everything that we need for our video, so let's go to CapCut. Once we are in CapCut, we go for new project, tap on stock videos, here we are looking to import a black background, so we select the second one, add it, and here we are. The next thing we're going to do is to add our motivational quote. So go to text, add text, the one with the A plus. So you add your motivational quote in the dialog box. So paste, and there you have it. Go to the check mark at the right side, check, and you would want to convert the text into speech, so the button is right underneath. Go to text to speech, and here you would want to scroll down and look for narrative mail. So here we have it.
The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago.
Check, and everything has come together. So let's give it a try.
The best time.
All right, so the next thing to do is to delete the text that you converted to speech. So click on it or tap on it, scroll left side and delete. It is still
the best.
All right, now the next thing to do is to match the audio. In fact, it is to speed up the audio a bit because it looks some kind of laid back, relaxed attitude. So the next thing we're going to do is to speed the audio up a bit. So go to speed and just drag it forward.
The best time to plant a tree was 20 years.
It is too much, so we send it.
The best time to plant a tree was 20.
Go.
The best time to plant a tree was. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago.
All right, so we have succeeded in speeding it up a bit. So what we're going to do now is to match up our audio to the black background. Okay, so we're going to download it. The next thing to do is to go back to CapCut and select new project and import your AI generated images, so photos, and then import your images. I'm going to import 3 of them. Okay, so here we are. The next is to go to ratio. You would see it down below, so tap on ratio, and because we are making it into a short video, we're going to select the 9:16 dimension or the ratio. So we select that one. You would want to make sure that your image fits the screen perfectly, so you tap on the image and drag with both fingers so that it fits the screen perfectly. Yes, You would want to do the same thing for the other videos as well. You drag and make sure that it covers the entire screen. Go to the next video, drag, make sure it fits the entire screen. Okay, so the next move is to tap on the video and go to style. When you are in style, you're going to select the 3D Zoom Pro. That is the first, that is the second image that is appearing. So 3D Zoom Pro, you select that, make it generate. Okay, that is that. You have to do the same thing for all the images. The next step is to make sure that our overlay is dragged to cover the entire page or the entire screen. So you drag it with both hands and make sure that it is covering up the entire screen like what you're seeing now. The next thing you do is to tap on your audio and look for mask. It is amongst the icons that are underneath, so you swipe leftward and then select mask and go to circle. Wait for it to work on the video and select invert, that is at the bottom left corner. Invert, make sure that you bring in the circle a bit so that portions of it wouldn't go beyond the video. So you bring it in, and you may want to use the arrows up and down to kind of shake up or make up the video a bit. Yes, so I think that is that for now. So we check. Let's play our video and see what happens.
The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time.
The next thing we're going to do is to generate captions for our videos. So we'll tap on text and select auto captions as you see on your screen. Auto caption, go to start. You wait for it to create your captions automatically, and there we have it. Our captions has been automatically created. So
the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now.
Right, so there we go. Now we would want to make sure that, or kind of give our captions a touch up a bit. So select the caption and go to style. I think I fancy this one with the quick brown fox, so I am going to select that one. Tap on it, check, and let's see.
Best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now.
All right, so we're still not satisfied with our captions. We still want to give it a touch up a bit. So what we're going to do next is to go to batch edit. We select the captions, go to batch edit, because we would want the words to appear one after the other, not in bulk like you see on the screen. So you put your cursor in between the words. Either you tap enter, return, it depends on the kind of keyboard you're using. So I tap it like that, and I'm going to do the same thing for every one of them.
The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago.
Now, if you see that your text is not aligned with the audio, what you have to do is to drag and position them well so that when the voice goes, the text also appears. Yes, so do not forget to resize your text a bit by either dragging and widening the text or making it appear bigger, or you go to style, that is underneath the text and then do it from there. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is to import our fire particle, the one that we downloaded at the beginning of this video. So what we're going to do is go straight to overlay, add overlay, and then we scroll through, select our fire particles, bring it in, wait for it to load. Yes, and just like we did for the first overlay, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to make sure that we drag it so that it fits the entire page. So yes, that is it. This time around we are going to blend our overlay. We're not going to use mask, so we select blend, so select filter, check, and you swipe to the left and select opacity. So you tap on opacity and make sure you reduce the opacity a bit. So after reducing the opacity, this is what came
The
out.
best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now.
Alright, so as you can see, our overlay is a bit longer than the video, so it is simple. Tap on your overlay and then split it up a bit. Make sure that it is, tap on it, split, and delete the excess from it. Okay, so the next thing to do is to add our motivational background song. So we go to audio, sounds, and then we go to from files, import from files, and this is our song. So let me add it. Let's play and see.
The best time to plant.
Right, the volume is too much, so we'll have to turn down the volume a bit. So tap on the audio, the imported background music, go to volume, send it way down so that it doesn't interfere
The best time to plant a tree.
in the song. All right, so as you did for the other overlay, you can trim it down a bit because it is longer than the entire video. Okay, so
The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now.
alright guys, so this is how you can create a viral short video using CapCut, using Canva or any AI tool or whatever tool that will make the work look simple for you. So I'm still reminding you to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share my videos to a wider audience. See you in the next one. Bye.